This is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So, first order of business is to download and install the Caffeine app. That's the tool that allows us to set custom values for screen timeout feature, because by default we cannot go any higher than 10 or I guess 30 minutes at most. So let's download and install this app, and well, as I was saying, this app allows you to set custom values for this function, even up to never, so preventing your screen to turning itself off automatically at all. So that's a very lightweight app, so even if your Wi-Fi connection is slow, it will download and install itself in an instance. So once the app is ready, just launch it and make sure that the timeout function or option over here has been set to be at the infinite value, and as long as you do not turn the application off or do not stop it or do not close the Caffeine app and it stays active in the list of recent applications, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, as I've already mentioned. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.